Doing a quick little mobile mechanic kind of thing going on. My boy George got a fg2 si. He's looking to get his whole exhaust installed. He had like a stock, I got it over here. He got a stock piping, just the resonator and the cat removed, muffler removed, basically straight pipe with the OEM tip. And then we got a whole Invidia exhaust, 3-inch exhaust system. I already got the long pipe in there now, got the muffler over there. So yeah, get this thing done. Exhaust swap. He got some Skunk 2 Alpha headers, or no matter of fact, I'm lying to you, I actually believe PLM headers. And we're doing the 3-inch Invidia exhaust from test pipe all the way back. That's the old one. Resonator, cat, and muffler was removed out of that one. But like I said, now we're going with the full Invidia. I got the main pipe under there already. We're about to throw them up. I just came to get the gaskets. And let's see how this thing sounds. We'll be back. Let's wrap this together. Sorry, George, at work. I know you want to do it yourself. Oh, that's nice. So for the most part, everything is on. See, PLM header, PLM test pipe. Then we got the Invidia exhaust. We're about to install the muffler part at the end, and then we'll go back around and tighten all the bolts. Right now, I just got everything on hand tight, so I don't have to, you know, fight and pull. But as of right now, bolts up great. Invidia for a 2006 Civic Si, I believe so. Okay, so now we got the exhaust completely up. Everything looks great. It sits up nice and close to the body. I actually really love the way this exhaust looks on this car. Let's see if we get a little peek. You would never even know. Kind of looks like the OEM Si tip in a sense, I guess, because that's a little more oval, I guess. But nice Invidia exhaust. I don't have the keys and everything with me at the moment. My boy's at work, so can't get a sound clip at the moment, but it looks amazing. All right, let's tighten all these bolts up and get it done. Exhaust is completely installed. Everything's nice and tight. I'll have George send me a sound clip whenever he gets home from work. And now we're going to check out his where's his keys? Biggie. Right, guys, we're back on George's car. As you can see, we are under here taking off the rear sway bar, because we have, this is the OEM one for fg2 si. And we have a rear Progress sway bar. I believe the OEM one is like, I can't even, to be honest, I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't even be able to know, but I know it's an upgrade. Let's see if I have, they should definitely both be bigger than 17. As you can see, this is a 17 mil, so it is probably a 21 maybe, I believe. And the OEM one is a 17 mil. 17 millimeter sway bar, and that looks like about a 19 to 21 mil upgrade. So now we are just getting everything together. The other one's about to come down. I just want to get all these parts situated. We should be good to go. As you can see, this is the OEM sway bar. It's about a 17 mil thickness. This I'd say about a 21 mil. Looks great. Progress. And we're just setting it all up, getting it all situated, getting everything in the same positions on where they were. D-bushings, got new poly bushings. As you can see, the sway links were completely blown out on this. We now have adjustable sway links here for Georgie's car. And I'm gonna call him, see how if he wants. He wants on the softest, the medium is in the middle, and the hardest, the stiffest setting would be on the top. Adjustable sway links here. And let's get this set up. It's almost done. So that concludes today's job on Georgie's car. We got the full Invidia exhaust installed. And we got the new Progress sway bar with the adjustable links installed. Currently put it on the medium setting. So this way we can get a feel for the drive. And then from there we'll see and adjust. But she looks great.